Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create Twitter engagement graphics using shapes. Use minimalistic rectangles for base framework. Add circles behind text to make key message pop. Use line shapes to create simple dividers. Apply shapes fusion for modern layout effects. Insert images inside shapes mask for clean cropping. Use bold fonts for easy reading on Twitter timeline. Create, retweet, or like icons using custom shapes. Add a CTA shape button like read more. Use brand consistent color across all shapes. Balance negative space for simplicity. Add drop shadows for depth. Export the final image in Photoshop